Hey guys, today we're looking at an Exxon all-steel gooseneck enclosed trailer. Let's kick the tires. Okay, we're looking at a 24-foot long model gooseneck all-steel enclosed from Exxon Trailers. Adjustable coupler, of course. Come up in here, get your 7-way wire harness. Your spare tire is here underneath the gooseneck. 12,000 pound jack. This is an 8-inch I-beam gooseneck, as you can see. It's also got a little V-nose here in the front. This is white powder coat. This isn't a liquid paint, this is powder coated trailer. You're looking at 7,000 pound torsion axles with 10-ply tires. That's a 235/80 R16 tire. Grease axles. Let me get up underneath it here a little bit as well. Here you see it's got 2x2 angle cross members. Those are on 16-inch centers. Wood floor, we'll get more to that inside. Ramp door here in the back. Your ramp door has an opening width of 83 inches. Let's go open up the side here. Got a little lock lever with the cam bar latch. All right, come on in. All right, we're looking at a treated pine floor, and it's a tongue and groove floor. So it's really resistant to anything coming up from underneath. Water resistant as well. All steel inside, of course. You see it's got tubing cross members, both for the wall and the ceiling. This one's got a 7-foot tall interior height. In between the fenders, you measure 80 inches exactly, and your full width inside here from post to post is 93 inches. You can see right here about halfway up the trailer as well. It's got a flat iron strap going the full length of the trailer. That way you can easily tie down or strap something to the side of the trailer here. The ramp door back here also has a little flap extension. We'll pull down the ramp door here in a bit. It does have flow-through vents here on the passenger side, and then up in the front, it's on the driver's side. Coming up here above the gooseneck, you got a little extra storage space up here too. The height right here is 33 inches tall from the bottom right here to your cross member. You've got little grab bars right here as well on both sides to help you get up in there if you need to. All right, let's open up that ramp door. All right, here it is. Little flap has been extended out. As I mentioned before, you've got an 83-inch door opening width, and exact height up here to the top is 78 inches. Nicely finished out. Beautiful paint inside and out. And while we're speaking on door widths as well, you got a 31-inch door opening here for the side door. Come on back out. Your main frame on this trailer is a 2x6 tubing frame, and then the gooseneck is an 8-inch I-beam. Now this trailer empty weighs about 5,500 pounds, and it has a GVWR of 14,000 pounds. So you still have a remaining payload of about 8,500 pounds in this thing. It's all steel, it's rugged, it's durable, definitely ready to hit the road and do all the big jobs for you. Hope this helped. Thanks for kicking the tires with me. See you for the next one.